Lake Tarawa was formed by a volcanic eruption millions of years ago, creating a breathtaking caldera lake. It is the deepest lake in Japan at 1,388 feet, that is more than 400 meters, makes it a truly unique natural wonder. One of the highlights of my trip was a delicious lunch at the Tazawako Rest House. The restaurant offered stunning views of Lake Tarawa, while I enjoyed a traditional Japanese meal. The food was fresh and flavorful, showcasing the best of Akita's local cuisine. One of the interesting sights in the area is the Kanza Shrine. While I didn't have a chance to go inside, it's known for its historical significance and beautiful architecture. It's a great place to learn more about the local culture and history. One of the most iconic landmarks near Lake Tarawa is the Tatsuko statue. Legend has it that a beautiful princess named Tatsuko transformed into a dragon and disappeared into the lake. This statue is a tribute to her and is a popular spot for visitors to take photos. Lake Tarawa is a must-visit destination for anyone traveling to Japan. Its stunning beauty and natural wonders will leave you in awe. Have you ever been to Lake Tarawa? Let me know in the comments below.